friends, welcome to Ride with Tarun. In last video I explained about Bajaj Vikrant V15, 5 things which are hated about Vikrant. Now I will explain about Casino. What are the good things and bad things in Casino. This video is not about bad review of Casino, only things which are not suitable to Casino. Already Yamaha has launched this scooter in 2015. It's almost 1 year for the Casino. Now I will explain about Casino. Here comes a speedometer which has a retro style, retro and modern style of speedo, which is readable in day and night. When compared to Activa, it's like a good thing to see in white color and nice finishing, which not a premier type of switch gates, and retro style of mirrors which are suitable for the highway riding, and this retro styling of chrome which has gives a premier type of scooters. And coming to the engine, it's 113cc engine, 7.1 PS of power at 7005 RPM, and 811 Newton meters of torque, which is highly for the mileage, which I got the mileage of 56 in city. When compared to highway, I got the range of 60 kmpl, which is highly best in scooter segment. Last year Yamaha CEO announced that we have taken the 10% of market of Yamaha scooters. It's good to be. And coming to this matte black finish, this matte black finish is for the entire compared to the entire scooter, which gives a premier touch. This all chrome finish. It's not a premier scooter, but mid-range premier scooter, which is compared to like Axis 125, Vespa 150. It's like a niche segment, which is called as a premier type of scooters, which not for the mass production scooters. And coming to this headlight, this retro style headlight, which is good to see, and it gives a distinct look for the scooter, which is look like premier scooter. And this air intake, which is look odd but good, and telescopic suspension, which give a nimble ride for the riding, which we don't have. It have a front have a soft suspension, back have a stiff suspension, which gives a good riding in city and highway ride. And tire comes from, actually company we should give MRF tires, but unfortunately in Hyderabad we got TVS tires with a 10 inch of tire, which is good for the stability. The ground clearance of 270 mm, which is good for the city ride, but not for the off-road ride. Off-road we will get stuck for the this side stand and middle stand. And Yamaha gave the oil of Yamaha Loop, which is from the Yamaha company, which is Japanese motorcycle. Okay, coming to the underneath, I will explain in underneath. Twenty-one liters of boot space, which is plenty than compared to Activa, and 5.2 liters of fuel tank, which is highly compared to Activa. Enough boot space for the Yamaha. You can see all Yamaha stuff is there, but compared to the quality is less when compared to Activa. So this is all about Casino. The color is available in matte red, matte blue. This is Sansi Scan Blue something, I don't know, which their company has shown. And what is blue core? Blue core is like a we see in Suzuki SCP, Suzuki Economic Performance. Like Blue Car is also like meant for the what we say mainly for the economic purpose, not like performance and economic purpose. They have introduced a new Blue Car, which is good to see in Yamaha company. This is all about the Fascino. The Fascino is like about retro style, who are looking for the retro style, modern style of scooter, which is good for their city and highway. The scooter belongs to those who are not for the mass production. They have some style of vintage style of feeling. That is good for that type of people. Okay, this is all about Fascino. Thank you. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel.